Hey everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a hamburger character. Bubba loves hamburgers, so this is going to be a fun one, okay? Grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with the big shape of the bun. So draw a rounded shape like that. Perfect. Now we're going to do a line across to finish and connect to that bun. And we're going to draw the patty underneath. So we're going to do kind of the squiggly shape. All the way around right there. Perfect. Next, we're going to add the cheese. We'll do a triangle here, here, and here. Maybe a couple little details on the patty. And let's add a couple drips from maybe the ketchup or mustard on the inside like this. Perfect. Just like that. Next, we're going to add the lettuce. So kind of squiggly shape around the bottom. And we'll add a couple of round shapes inside for the tomato. Like that. Perfect. Add just a couple details around. Maybe just a couple more inside here. And then we're going to close off the hamburger with another bun at the bottom like this. And then a couple details for texture on that bread. Perfect. There's our shape for the hamburger. Now let's move back up to the top and we're going to draw the face of our character. So 2 round eyes, like that. A couple lines underneath. Perfect. And let's give our character a little smile. Cute little smile. And then maybe a couple freckles on the side like that. Let's put 3 on each side. Let's do the eyebrows. Now go back to the eyes and fill in the pupils. Perfect. Good job. You know what? I think our character needs a little hat. So let's come over here and add a hat on our hamburger. Like this. With a little propeller. Like that. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Next, let's give our hamburger a couple little seeds on the bun. Perfect. Maybe a few hairs coming out from under the hat. And then to finish off our character, let's give it some arms and legs. Let's put an arm over here on this side, an arm over here, a leg underneath with a little shadow, and then a curved line stop. Let's do a straight line this way, and then curve to finish that. Maybe add a little shadow under there. Perfect. And there we have a hamburger character. Yeah! Great job following along with me today. Come back soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!